Welcome to TechQ channel. In our channel, we are seeing reviews of TV, computer, other electronic goods. Today I want to review a TV which is from Bpl brand, which is really a very famous brand. From olden days, this brand is really very famous. When you think of 90s TV, the first brand that strikes your mind is every time Bpl. And also the network, the first two networks that they used was Aircel and Bpl, and this Bpl is only then later converted into Vodafone. And also this Bpl has launched many electronic goods like fan, refrigerator, TV, and I think we'll also get up touch phones hereafter, and also about kitchen appliance. So now let's see what are the features of this brand also. Today we want to see review of Bpl TV, which is 50-inch UHD TV, and its model number is 50U C4310, which was launched in 2022 in 10th month, very recently. And in 2020 we had A4310, and 2021 we had B4310. These are just the version, and now it's an updated version of C4310. And the other features about it is that we have OK Google in it, and then we have Dolby Vision and also Dolby Audio. Dolby Audio, you will be hearing all sharp sounds, and for vision you will have a good clarity vision. This model has 2 years warranty as they have told, but when you are going to get from my sponsor, and I have given the sponsor's link in the description box, you will get 3 years of warranty for this TV. So now let's unbox this TV and look at it. So usually when I have reviewed many TV or unboxed it, I just see only that thermocol for protection, but here they have also provided cardboard near it for good safety and protection. And also we have 2-3 products inside it. Let's see what are the products. We have unboxed the TV. Look at how frameless it is and really very large and beautiful. And in the screen they have given about 2 years warranty, and then that side it's about Bpl logo. Then we have Android TV, then OK Google, Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Google Play, and then we have Chromecast built in, and Dolby Vision and 4K Ultra HD. And also they have given about its model number. And down we have its logo, really beautiful logo, Bpl, with metal stand, and also back we have metal body. And then at back we have 3 HDMI port, 2 USB port, and we have 1 optical output, and then we have 1 audio output, and also we have Ethernet port. And also they have it's very spacious to connect speakers also, a very beautiful design. And let's see its audio and video quality by turning it on. I have turned it on, and we have got the logo as Bpl. Yes, very good looking. It takes 2 to 3 minutes to 2 to 3 seconds to go in. We have got the logo for Android. So I've turned on the home page. On the home page we have voice search, then we have apps, we have different kinds of apps. Then we have notifications to show some updates. Then we have inputs. In inputs we have channels, we have HDMI 1, 2 and 3, and again AV. Here to connect through Wi-Fi. And in settings, we have network settings, account, apps, device preference, and remote and accessories. So in about, we have about device name Android TV, production name, and then let's now check the Android version. It's 9, it seems. Let's see it's original or not. Yes, we have got Android Pie. So then we have software versions and etc. We have many options here, and we have date and time, timer, language, keyboard, input, power, pictures, like picture qualities, like we can reduce or increase according to our will. So then we have sound, where we have speaker or like TV speaker or external sound, but we are having only TV speaker. Then we have Dolby audio processing, where we have sound modes, like what for what we are using we can adjust that sound, like if we are playing game we can use game, or if it's movie etc like that, but I'm having it in standard. Then we have set as default, like we have changed the option, means now we can have it like we have set it into default. Then we have storage, home screen, etc details here. Wow, what a sound. Then here we have different types of apps. YouTube, etc. And here some recommendations. So now let's check its video and audio quality by playing a non-copyright music. Home page. Non-copyright music. No copyright video. So I hope that you have checked its audio and video quality, and I'm summing up this video by saying that you can get this video for 3 years warranty if you're going to get from my sponsor. I've given their details in the description box. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.